Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's kitchen. Today we're making honey garlic chicken thighs. For this recipe, we are using 2 pounds of skinless and boneless chicken thighs. To begin, add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a medium-sized onion diced, 6 cloves of garlic minced, 3 teaspoons of chili paste, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of fresh thyme, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and finally salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and give that a toss until all the chicken has been evenly coated with the spices. Cover and keep in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. And after a couple of hours, transfer the chicken into a large baking dish. Spread it out to a single layer. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Now bake at 425 degrees for 30 minutes. After baking for 30 minutes, change your oven to broil and broil for about 5 to 7 minutes. And if everything goes according to plan, your honey garlic chicken should look like this. To finish it off, garnish with sesame seeds and green onions or scallions if you like. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, honey garlic chicken. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.